Good evening, YouTube. 106 amps, Chris back with part 2 of my 2-pill bass. Working along on it, a little bit more done on it. Switch on the front, and LED and variable in place. Just kind of setting everything in place, making sure it lines up right. Power supply is in and mounted. And I believe I got everything. I talked about this little piece right here that comes with the kit from ICA. And I like it. But once I tried to put it in, the little tangs right there, the thickness of the cabinet is off just a little bit and they're not quite grabbing. You can move it. So I'm gonna do a little something there. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm gonna do something to make that fit in there just a little bit better. But you see I got all the wires for the power supply hooked up. Hot, neutral, and ground all done. I ran the wires around this way. Go to the switch to break the neutral. I'm going to do something down here to tie these up in place a little bit. I want to make it a little bit neater around there. I mean, it's all right running around that way, but... And I turned it on and tested it all in place like this, and everything seems to be working good. Switch it. Power supply comes on. The little light there comes on. It's putting out the voltage like it did when I tested it on the bench before I put it in here. But I think it's going to work out pretty well. I'm going to do a few more things on this before I move on to actually building the board. Just a little while ago, I was looking at the way this fit in there. It wasn't going down all the way right there. So I did a little trimming and work to get it to go down, sit down all the way. ICA, they make a great box, but they off on the tolerances sometimes and some things like that plug there, you know. But overall, they make a pretty good box. They really do. But that's where I'm at right now. I'm going to do a few more things around here, like I said. Things I want to address, check out, tighten up a little bit. Wires around that way. Then I'm going to start building the board, just like I did the other 2-pill. We'll see how it goes from there, but we'll see how the little bass turns out. It should be all right. All right, YouTube. I appreciate it. Chris, 106, gone.